When do existing websites need to comply with the EAA? Always consult legal experts in your specific use case and geographic region. This is not legal advice. Under the EAA, new products and services must be accessible by June 28, 2025, and existing ones by June 28, 2030. For websites, this likely means anything newly launched, like a page, feature, or product, after the 2025 deadline must meet accessibility requirements right away. However, if you're making significant updates to existing content, those changes may be treated as new and subject to the earlier deadline. To manage this transition, many organizations are starting by upgrading key templates and components, like headers, footers, and homepages, to ensure users can navigate effectively. And the more you do to remediate older content before 2030, the better position you'll be in when that deadline arrives. We're always going to encourage you to lean toward doing more for accessibility rather than less. Beyond compliance, these improvements create better, more inclusive experiences for everyone, and that's always worth the effort. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.